Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today guys, this 2007 Mitsubishi Lancer is back, and we are going to replace the aftermarket muffler. Because guys, you know, here in Vancouver, BC, aftermarket muffler is not allowed, it's prohibited. So if you got caught by the police, they're gonna give you a ticket for almost $200. So guys, for today, we are going to put back the original muffler. So join me today guys, and we are going to put back the original muffler for this car. Alright guys, that's the original muffler. So we're gonna put back this one. Then we will be removing this aftermarket. So guys, we got only 2 bolts, and then in here this rubber that hold this bracket. Then there's also one more over here or over there. So it's pretty straightforward. So let's do it. So we are using number 14 millimeters socket. There you go. And then this side 14. Oh boy. Okay, so this is, I think, 17, 14 for the nuts and 17 for the head. There you go. Nice. Now let's remove this. Oh boy. I need alright guys, in removing this we need my favorite lubricant. Go. So now we can slide it. There we go. And this one. There you go. So guys, this is the aftermarket muffler that is prohibited here in Vancouver, BC. So if you got caught by the police, they're gonna charge you, or they're gonna ticket you around $200. So now let's put the original one, this one. I think this one gives you a very loud noise, loud sounds compared to this one. So look at this. There's so many compartments probably inside. Unlike this one, this is throw and throw. Okay guys, let's put it back. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Alright, nice. Okay, and this one right there. Well, alright, nice. There you go. Now let's start the car.